tell me, what would you do in this position? Or this position? It's a complete draw, right? Well, in today's video, I will show you how to do checkmate with just a knight and bishop. Here's the things to keep in mind. Now, don't get me wrong, you can give a checkmate with a knight in the position, but it would be way easier to give a checkmate with the bishop, and the only way to give a checkmate with a bishop is to get our opponent in the corner of the same color as the bishop. Now, generally, in a winning position, you need to avoid a draw, but there is a secret way to have a draw without giving stalemate or losing any pieces. It's called the 50-move draw. If you move pieces for 50 moves without taking a pawn, then the computer would immediately say it's a draw, and this is one of the most important things to keep in mind. And the final thing to keep in mind, which is generally always good advice, is not to blunder pieces, but here it's even more critical, because if you lose a single piece in this position, it will be a draw due to insufficient material. And now to actually getting the checkmate. So here is how you get the checkmate. So first we need to bring our king towards the center, so then we could start cutting off black's king to the corner where we need him. So we need to get black into one of these corners, and this is Stockfish level 8, then he'll try to avoid that. So we start bringing our king. So immediately he goes for the white corner. So I'm just going to go here to prevent this. And now the key thing is if he goes that way, we need to get the knight onto this square. So I'm already looking how to get it there. So I like this option. So we are cutting off the king that way. Now I'm going to do waiting move, because if he goes there, that's really good. Okay. Yeah, now I'm going to do this to just basically get the king backwards. And now we're going to do the same thing backwards. So yeah, now we give a check. So this is actually kind of great because we're getting the king in the exact position where we want him. So he can't go that way, so he'll go that way. And this is the main position which you need to remember. So from here on, it's the same pattern. So you see now I'm going to steadily force the king into this corner. And I'm going to do that by using the V formation. The V formation, we're going to move the knight like this, which you're going to see shortly. And you may think that the king will escape, but trust me, he won't. So we go here cutting off this square. He continues going that way. Now, to put our knight here, we need to protect this square, so we bring our king over. Now, it may look like he's actually escaping, but in a second, you'll see that he's not. Now, here it's kind of clear he wants to go here, but here is where our bishop comes in. And by blocking off these squares, we steadily force the king backwards. And now we go do the same thing, as this is a blockade. Black can't get out. Now here we're going to move our king. If he goes here, we're going to give the check. And we are again forcing the king backwards. Now we're going to continue the V formation in the same pattern. Now I'm just going to do a waiting move because I need the king to stop hogging this square. Perfect. Same pattern. So the king can't go that way, so he's kind of forced to go that way. Now we slide over 2, and if he goes there, which he does, we gives this check. Now from here it's basically checkmate in a few moves. So we bring our knight over here, forcing the king here, and this is personally the easiest way I can think of. So we bring the bishop here with the idea to bring it here. And now the king is completely cut off. He cannot leave this, and all that is left is for us to bring over the knight so that we could give checkmate on this square. So the way I'm going to do that is by bringing it over here. And here it's checkmate in 2 moves. Can you see it? Well, if not here. This is check. And this is checkmate. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more chess tips.